Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna show you one thing that you can do to see your battery health, even though if you have replaced some battery on your iPhone. So I'm running iOS 18. This is the iPhone SX Max, right? So you go to battery. You want to see your battery health, and charging unknown part. You can't see anything right here. See, I'm not sure if this will be able to reappear again, even though I replaced the battery. The battery that I bought is from XCap, from a website. And also bought one from Mobile Centrics. So to see your actual battery health, but even though if it is showing this one, I don't use this one, as that's a fake report one. That's the one that's giving a fake report. So you go to privacy and security, analytics and improvements, analytics data, and I replace the battery, but it still pick it up right there. Battery stats, and there you go, 98%. I mean, the battery is new because I charged the phone to 100% like 3 times, so that's why. Let me go back and show y'all the previous one when I charged it to 100%, and it did drop to 97%. So yeah, really, y'all don't charge your phones to 100%. Charge it between 80 and 90%. So if you want to maintain your battery health for it to last longer. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I just wanted to show y'all, if you have replaced a battery, you still can see your battery health this way, instead of relying on this part that is reporting fake battery. you know Anyway, thanks for watching.